Okay, and one thing I would like to clear, there is no love in love marriage as well. Because they only focus on physical attraction. But in arranged marriage, everything is matched and checked. And what do you think about the crimes and suicides which are happening with the girls after love marriage? You can go and read the newspaper, girls are killed and kept into the freeze and thrown in the pieces. Everyone, today we are going to debate on the burning topic love marriage versus arranged marriage. It is said marriages are made in heaven. Marriage is a bond of love between a boy and a girl, a man and a woman. So let's start debating on the burning topic. I am in favor of arranged marriage, as I believe arranged marriage is much better than love marriage.
How can we say that arranged marriage is better than the love marriage?
Arranged marriages involve the guardians of their parents, but when it comes to love marriage, it doesn't happen.
But do you know, if you are talking about a love marriage, when anybody does love marriage, then they know each other for a long time. But if you are talking about arranged marriage, in that period of time, they know less about each other.
And it is not a contract between two individuals, and one of the most important thing is that Indian youth trust their elders. So I think that any marriage has to be done only when two families agree with each other.
Who told you that when someone does arranged marriage, it is a contract?
See, doing love marriage means counting stars in the sky. It is totally wasting of time because love doesn't exist in the world.
I subscribe your point and you have raised very amazing point. But do you know, I'm having a question for you, that don't you think that there is no love in arranged marriage?
Okay, and one thing I would like to clear, there is no love in love marriage as well, because they only focus on physical attraction. But in arranged marriage, everything is matched and checked.
What things are checked and matched? And do you know the condition of arranged marriage? On the single call, marriage is done. And you are talking about matching.
Everything is checked in arranged marriage, such as education, financial background, reputation, family status, etc. And whereas in love marriage, nothing is done and love marriages don't go longer.
Okay, do you know, in love marriage, we have choice to select our life partner according to our choice. Okay, now my second point is about culture. If I talk about culture, we adopt different culture. Just like one is from another culture and one is from another. So it creates a colorful combination, so it goes longer.
Okay, and what do you think about their parents who have been dreaming about their children's marriages since their childhood?
Of course, if their parents love them, they will definitely agree with them.
And don't you think in love marriages, people have romantic ideas in the beginning. After their marriages, they have to face practical problems and then it becomes an akhara. Do you know the meaning of the akhara?
I don't think so, because after 21, you are enough mature to take any decision. And you have also practical knowledge about life. So you would not face such situations.
In India, there are many places where socially love marriages are unacceptable. That's why we are witnessing honor killing.
Yes, I totally agree with you, but it is not just because of love marriage. There are many reasons behind it. You should talk about those reasons. And as you know, everything has pros and cons.
Do you know one thing? Love marriages are often based on a deep emotional connection, which don't go longer. When you have to face reality, it ends in no time.
See, how can you love someone without emotion? So it is just a part of it.
And what do you think about family support? In arranged marriage, often have the support and involvement of both families.
They also get, and you know, there are many successful love marriages in our society, and nowadays people are educated, so they know what is wrong, what is right.
They hardly get, as I already mentioned it, because our society doesn't accept love marriages and you have to live in the same society. So it is very difficult to manage for their families.
See, we are going to marry our brothers and sisters, not society. And you know very well that what the society is.
Yeah, I know. And you also know. You have to live in the same society. You can't leave your society.
Do you know, in arranged marriage, people keep on fighting all the times, and the most of the couples are not happy.
No, it's not like that. I think that most of the love marriages are unsuccessful.
Do you know, in arranged marriage, you are not having the freedom. But in love, you can do what you want to do because you know each other very well.
Freedom means free. You are completely free after love marriage because you leave your family, your relatives, friends, society, and you keep running all the time, and the life becomes like a hell.
It is not like that. You are talking about 19th century. Talk about current era. Nowadays, society has grown and became educated.
And what do you think about the crimes and suicides which are happening with the girls after love marriage? You can go and read the newspaper. Girls are killed and kept into the freeze and thrown in the pieces.
It happens in both marriages. Then they get punishment.
See, love marriages mean to cheat the people. It can only be successful in rich family, but in poor and middle class family, it cannot be. They just cheat and use them.
It is not like that. Nowadays, people are educated and they know what is wrong and what is right. They take decision after 21, I think that.
So why most of the love marriages are unsuccessful? They cheat each other and they get divorced very soon.
It is not like that. There are many people who are living happily.
So I hope you have enjoyed this burning topic a lot, and we will be continuing this topic in the next part. So this is not the end.